Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a basket sloop. Knowing how to do a basket already would be really helpful. Knowing how to do a first move sloop would be really helpful because that's easier than the basket sloop, so you can learn the technique on an easier version. I'll put links to those in the description below so it's nice and quick for you to go back and get to them if you want to. Jumping straight in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So let's break it down. It starts like a standard basket. We go back to 2 hands, we go wrap. We want to get the hands down to the hips nice and early, and we step back on the right for everybody. This is where the sloop happens. So we're driving through the left, we're almost brushing through with the right foot, then it feels like we're back pedaling on a bicycle with just the right leg. Big long step back, slide the front foot back, that becomes a rock on the left, so we go back on the left, back onto the right, lifting the left hand, we roll the lady out and face, return and back. So now let's do it from the other side and think numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, back on the right 3, we sloop 4, slide 5, rock 6, away 7, face 8, return 1 and back 2. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket, sloop. We go a back, wrap, right, sloop, slide, rock, step, away, look, return and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you have good fun with that out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everybody who does that. And the notifications, if you haven't turned on in settings, will mean that you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. It's just a link to a music video which will be appropriate to try this out to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.